We will use Make integration to send scheduled messages from a Google Sheet. First you have to connect Make to your Google Sheet, use the Search Rows module and select the spreadsheet, the sheet name and the field used to get the records for the current day. Make sure the filter uses the expression as you can see here. The Google Sheet has only 3 columns in this example: date, message, and destination. The phone number must be in international format and the date must be in the same format used in the Make filter. In this use case, we will send a WhatsApp message in every customer's birthday. The Search Rows model will return several rows, so we have to use a repeater module to loop the returned records and send the WhatsApp message. Just after the repeater, you must add the To-Chat Send Message module, which will send a WhatsApp message per every returned row. Select the source number, the destination number from the Google Sheets module, and the related message. Let's run the automation and check how every step works. As you can see, for the current date, we have 2 rows. The repeater detects and repeats the actions per every row. As you can see, the To-Chat module sent 2 different messages. Now you have just to schedule the automation to run every day at the same hour and enable it. Scheduling WhatsApp messages can be a game changer for your personal and business interactions. Imagine sending important messages at the perfect time, without having to be online. With scheduling, you can plan ahead, saving time and ensuring your messages are delivered exactly when they need to be.